Have you ever wondered how images are added to a web page? Well, that's one of the function of HTML. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add image to your web page using HTML. So let's get into it. For us to add image to our web page, the first step we have to do is to copy the image to our project folder. For example, let's say I want to use this image now. I'll just copy this image inside my project folder. Now, after copying the image, the next step is for me to open my folder using VS Code. Just open with code here. Now, from here, now inside my project folder, you can see that the image is already here. Now, for me to add the image to my web page, now I'll use a tag that is called img. I just say img, it stands for image. Now you see here we have this src stand for source. That's the link to my image, and this alt is alternative text that can be used to describe the image I want to use. And the benefit of this alternative text is for accessibility for those people that use screen reader. Now in this source, now what I will just do is to write the link to my image. Just say profiles.jpg. That's the name of my file that I want to add to my web page. Now here in the alternative text, I'll just write a description of my image. Let's say profile picture. Now let's save this and see how it will look like on our browser. Now on my browser, I've successfully added this image to my web page, but the image appears to be very big, so I can decide to reduce the size of the image using attribute of width and height from my code. So let's go back to my code and resize the image to the preferred size of my choice. Now inside my image tag, now we'll just write width. Let me just use 200px for example, and I can say height, let's say 300px, and let's save this and see the changes. Now you can see the size of the image has reduced to my preferred size. So in a nutshell, this is how to add image to your web page. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a list on your web page. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.